Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. The video explains a demo of the project Trinity on using Trinity for unsupervised web data extraction. Abstract. Data extraction from web through searching plays a major role nowadays. After extracting the web document, making a search in the document will be difficult. A new technique is used to make the searching process easier is Trinity search. Trinity search make use of ternary tree generation. Ternary tree consists of 3 child nodes. The proposed technique performs better than the others and that input errors do not have a negative impact on its effectiveness. The technique builds on the hypothesis that the template introduces some shared pattern that do not provide any relevant data and can thus be ignored. Data flow of the project. The data flow starts from browsing a file. The file consists of dataset, which is a raw data. After pre-processing the raw data, the dataset will be loaded into the dataset. After that, attribute will be calculated for the dataset. After that, making use of the Trinity algorithm, Trinity tree is constructed. Then, making use of the Trinity tree, searching will be made on the web document. Demo for working of the project. Start. Clicking on browse button, we are going to browse the dataset, which is in HTML format. Load. Clicking on load button, we are going to load the raw dataset into the database. For that, we need to get the dataset. Clicking on upload, we are going to upload the dataset into the database. To check whether the dataset is properly uploaded into the database or not, we are going to verify using show button. The dataset is properly loaded into the database. Here we are going to calculate the extraction calculation. For that, we need to enter the dataset name. Clicking on number of attributes, it displays the attribute for the dataset. Clicking on attribute info, it displays what are the attributes available for the dataset. Clicking on calculate, we are going to calculate the attribute one by one. For that, we need to enter the dataset name. Clicking on available, it shows how many books are available in the database. Clicking on size in MB, it shows the size of the book in MB. Clicking on precision, it calculates the precision of the dataset based on the formula displayed above. Clicking on recall, it calculates the value of the recall based on the formula displayed above. Next. Here we are going to calculate the value for F1 learning time, execution time. For that, we need to enter the data structure, which is the name of the dataset. Clicking on F1, it calculates the value of the F1 based on the formula displayed above. Clicking on learning time, it calculates the learning time of the CPU required to read the dataset. Clicking on execution time, it displays the time taken by the CPU to execute the book. Next. Here, the 3 child node is generated based on Trinity algorithm. Based on that, we are going to make a search in web document. The first child node, prefix is selected. Here, we need to give the prefix of the word. Clicking on get the word, we are going to get the word enter for search. Exact search. Exact search display the word alone, which is start in KB. Clicking on relevant search, the relevant word which was started in A will be displayed. Now I am going to choose suffix search.
For that we need to enter the suffix of the word. I am going to enter A. Get the word entered for search. Relevant search will display the word that enter with A. Now I am going to start with search the word with separator. Separator, we need to enter a word and check whether the word is available or not. I entered act. The word is available. Now I am going to enter Z. I am searching. I am trying again. It displaying the word is not available. This means the word is not available in that document. Now I am going to draw a chart for values like F1, extraction and learning time. I am going to get the value for drawing a chart. Clicking on draw chart, it will draw a chart for value F1, execution time and learning time. It will compare the Trinity with other 4 methods which are used in the existing system. Compared to other 4 methods which are used in existing system, Trinity is best in 3. That means F1 value, execution time and learning time.